How to delete a website from GoDaddy website builder. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to delete your website. So you can be one, multiple, it doesn't really make a difference. So to get started, just go ahead and go to GoDaddy.com. Even if you're in this page, my account page, it's not going to make a difference. But I'm just going to go to GoDaddy.com, so it is going to be more familiar for you. Now, obviously, you will need to be logged in order to remove your, or actually delete, not remove your websites. So you'll need to be logged in. So go ahead and log in from the top right if you have not already. And once you do that, you will be able to see the name of your account or your name really on the top right. So just go ahead and click on it. And once this opens up, you will have the account settings section here. As you can see, the one that we wanted to go to is renewals and billing. You don't want to go to account settings. I didn't really mean to click on that. So just click on renewals and billing. And this is going to pretty much just show you all the different sites that you have with this account for GoDaddy. They're going to show you all the different websites with subscriptions that you have, the billing dates for them, the payment methods for them, and also the name of the actual website. So these two are the ones that I have used. And let's say I just wanted to delete this top one here. So let's say I just want to delete the first one. In this case, what you need to do really is just go ahead and click on the three dots right next to it on the right side. And once you click on that, you will find different options here: renew now, edit your plan, update payment method, and the last one being turn off auto renew. And this is the one that we wanted to click on. I know you may be wondering how to actually delete it. It's actually going to be in here, so just click on turn off auto renew. And in here you will have the option to cancel renewal, remind me later, or delete my product. This is pretty much what we want to go for, because if you cancel the renewal, it's not actually going to delete it. But if you click on delete my product, this is going to actually do it for you. So just click on delete my product. And then here you can actually read you've decided to delete your products. But you get the idea, because they don't really want to you to make a mistake. So just go ahead and click on this just to confirm. And just click on send email. And then from here, they're going to actually go and send you an email where you will need to confirm it one more time, because it's at the end of the day a website, and the process is not reversible, I believe. So obviously they're going to ensure that you're truly focused when you're actually deleting this website. So let's just go and go to the email and see how it's actually going to look like. And yeah, as you can see, there's no undo button for this. So if this website's it means something to you and you don't really want to lose it, just turn back now. It's your last chance, because if you do this, just go and click on yes, I want to delete, and it's actually going to be deleted now. So now it should only, okay, I guess there's only one more time, so just click on delete, and now it is finally gone forever. So now we have only the one. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.